last time we saw him was off the corner of the house.
Okay, where is that? Main road? Oh, there's a signature right there. I bet that's her right there.
Is that him? That's him.
There he is. There he is, boys and girls.
He's getting him.
No, get him. All right, remote, drone, cameras, memory cards, lights, wallets. All right, guys, well, happy Thursday to y'all. It is raining cats and dogs in Madison right now, and I am called out to go to Linden, Alabama. I've got about 3 hours to go to get there, and we are going to help family look for their lost dachshund. They went missing this morning at about 10 o'clock. They were visiting some relatives, and they let it out in the backyard, and it got out through the fence, and they haven't seen it since. And so I am packed and on my way there, so it's going to be a long night, boys and girls. So there's several things that have me worried. One, it's a dachshund, a small dog. It doesn't know where it is, so it's in a new area. And sometimes with smaller dogs like that, they can actually be running in what we call fear mode. And that's heartbreaking when you see it, because I can, if we're fortunate, finding it with a drone, I can get the actual owner within feet of that dog, and they call to it, and the dog runs away from them. Fear mode is a very real thing, guys. It's hard to understand that a dog can live with you every day and knows your voice inside and out. But when they're in the woods and they're running in fear, they do not hear your voice like you think that they would. And I know that's hard to understand, because I couldn't believe it either the first time I saw it. But now that I've seen it over a dozen times, it worries me when I get the calls on I call them the littles, the little dogs, that sometimes they are in fear mode. And so the only way to catch them at that point is to actually trap them. And so let's say prayers, guys, and hopefully the good Lord will lead my drone to where it needs to be to find this little pup. I can guide the owners to exactly where it is, and that little dog comes running up, wagging his tail. I'm giving them dog kisses. So that's what we want. So y'all say prayers, guys, because we sure need them. So I've got 3 hours to go to get there, and then we'll be in the air. So it's going to be a long night, boys and girls. We'll be there shortly.
The last time we saw him was off the corner of the house, going in these woods right here.
So he was heading that direction.
Well, we're assuming he was.
But you did visually see him running? Okay.
No, the last time I saw him when he came through the gate. Right?
Okay. What I'm hoping is he's going to be hunkered down in one of these fields.
We're in a big pile of kudzu right in there.
Mm-hmm. Yep, there's 2 signatures right there that I want to see, and I bet those are deer.
That's deer. Those 3 they're out there eating that kudzu. Exactly what they're doing. Isn't that crazy?
Mm-hmm.
Does she hear that? She's like pushing.
She can hear it, but they usually don't freak. Now, see, these are the ones I'm talking about. I bet that's a rabbit, but we could be seeing the piece of her. But that's what I'm looking for, is something about that. But that looks like a rabbit to me. But you never know until we check.
It is a rabbit. Ain't that his eyes right there?
I think it's right here. Yeah, you can see its eye right there. But I want to double check, because I think it's a rabbit, but I just want to know for sure. The more I come down, the brighter my light gets. It's a rabbit. But that's what we're looking for, or something like that. Okay, where is that? Main road?
Yeah.
Let me pull open the map. All right, so there's where the kudzu was, and I'm on the main road.
You should be, look, you should be right there.
Can she go?
Yeah, I just wanted to get a location first before y'all took off, so I could.
She may have crossed the road.
Oh, there's a signature right there. I bet that's her right there. Right there. Hang on.
Tell her to hang on just a minute before she goes down there.
Is that him? That's him.
There he is. There he is, boys and girls.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
He's kind of stuck in the kudzu.
Oh, baby, baby, baby.
Right there.
The reason why I want the person that's going to go there to know this dog, and that dog's going to know her. Okay.
That Kenny?
That's my dad.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Listen, when I get y'all close, I want y'all I want one person to speak real gently and nicely to him.
Okay.
So what I want to do is I want to shine him, and it'll give you an idea of where he is.
Okay.
That's where he is. He's actually looking towards y'all right now.
Should we call him? I think he's probably having a hard time getting to us. It's so thick.
So try. Well, he did go to that direction. So try to call him real softly.
Maddie, call him softly. Winnie. Winnie, Winnie.
His head's kind of turning.
Come here, Winnie. Winnie. Come to us.
He's looking your direction.
Winnie, Winnie. Come on, buddy. Winston. Come here, buddy. Winston.
He definitely hears you.
Winston. Come on, buddy. I know it's scary, huh? Come on. He should shine the light. See where the light's shining down there? On the tree? That's the drone. Shining the light. You won't walk. We don't know. That's why we need a flashlight. Winnie, Winnie!
Okay. Start going to your left a little bit.
Winnie, Winnie! Come on, buddy!
I bet he's not 50 yards in front of you.
Okay, we're walking that way. Winston, come here, buddy. Here, Winnie. Come on, buddy. Come here. We're gonna call you Kudzu. Winston.
I bet he's not 20 yards in front of you.
He's not running, so that's good.
No, he's still looking your way.
Winston.
I bet he's not 15.
Winston.
I bet he's 15 feet in front of you.
Come on, buddy.
Go to your right. He's right to your right.
Okay.
He's I bet 10 feet right in front of
The
you.
lead person goes to the right.
There he is. He's coming to you. He's coming to you. He's coming to you.
Oh my God, you're a godsend, Jason.
I want you to get him.
And he's getting him.
No, get him. He's gonna run from you if you don't get him.
Winnie. Do you see him? Come on, buddy.
He can't run. He can't
Hey,
run
Winnie.
forward there. I'm telling you that crap.
Winnie. You see him?
I'm not seeing him right now. Y'all just stay still.
Okay. Winnie, where'd you go, buddy?
Hey, listen, guys. I want y'all to listen to me. If you get that close to him again, I want you to grab him.
Okay.
All right, hang on. I gotta find him again.
Okay.
Y'all just stay right there for a second. I gotta find him.
Okay. Winston, come here, buddy. Come on.
Just stay put,
Okay.
because he has disappeared.
Winston, can we see him? He's here. Come on, buddy.
Hang on, let me light you up.
Come on, buddy. Can we see him? No, it's okay. Come
Seriously, grabbing through the bushes.
I got it.
Yeah, baby! Yeah! I love it! Oh, I love it! Oh! What a godsend, guys! Oh, isn't that awesome? That is so awesome! Oh, I'm so pleased. Oh,
That was incredible.
oh man, I love it!
I feel way more. I'm passing the kidney, so it's gonna be a good night.
What a godsend!
He's right here. He's not, from my kennel, he's not 200 yards. From my kennel.
Thank the Lord, guys. Oh, I'm glad he didn't run. I'm glad he stayed right there. Thank the Lord.
Maddie, is he shaking right now, Maddie? Is he shaking? Amen.
Oh,
Man, that's all.
I love it. Ah, what a blessing, guys. Woohoo! Well, hey guys, if you would like to see the rest of this story and others, hit that follow and like button right now. Good boy.